थे पैक करने बस you should know that I'm feeling like I'm gold man I gotta show that gotta show that yeah
टेनिस प्रैक्टिस टाइम नए नए शौक पाल लिए मैंने ऑलवेज वांटेड टू प्ले टेनिस बट कभी खेल नहीं पाए हमारा स्कूल बहुत गरीब था वहाँ पे कोर्ट हुआ नहीं करते थे अब थोड़े बहुत पैसे हैं सो वी हायर्ड अ ट्रेनर and he's teaching us tennis so it's fun and I absolutely love playing I am so excited every day to go to the court and play tennis.
This is family business and this is for the family that can't be with us and this is for my cousin locked down oh the answers in us that's why I spit it in my song so sweet like a photo of your granny's picture now that you're gone.
1:10 PM घर पे जा रहे हैं for lunch कार में 2 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे जब तक इसी चलता हम घर पहुंच जाते हैं right so we'll just have lunch फिर प्लॉट पे जाएंगे we'll see some work over there. I'll come back to this workspace again, lock in for a couple more hours, need to get personal brand का content thing sorted out and then back to home again, chill out with the friends and I'll keep you guys updated. नदी भाई यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी ऊपर आता है लोग देखने आ जाते हैं. क्या खिला रहे होंगे आज?
आज हमने आपके लिए बनाया है चने की दाल लौकी टमाटर की सब्जी बूंदी रायता एंड पुदीने की चटनी गोंदे का अचार राजस्थान स्पेशलिटी गोंदे का अचार
guys. Let's go.
Yeah, this is family business and this is for everybody standing with us come on let's take a family Grammy picture Abby remember when they ain't believe in me now she like see that's my cousin on TV now we getting it and we gon'
The first rule of actually DM closing is getting a response. Always remember that, okay? Like end goal is to get a sale, but first rule is to get a response from the person.
shook up oh no don't open the photo book up
Divisha, share your samosa experience with me today.
It's 10 o'clock. This is the first meal of the day. We are only starting.
And it's carb loaded, sugar loaded samosa. ज़्यादा एक्टिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं.
3 by the head and 3 by the leg but you ain't have to tell my girl I used to pee in the bed
ये सारे टॉक SM करे नॉक बंदे खाते कॉफ एनर्जी दे ऑफ हम करे बॉस जॉब CEO है टॉप.
Okay, let's talk about limiting beliefs. Let's talk about ceilings. You see, roof is a man-made concept. If you step outside your home, you will not see any roof. God didn't created any ceiling for mankind, and that is why you see evolution. That is why you see humans doing insane stuff, right? It's a man-made concept, and the reason why humans have this tendency of creating ceilings in their own mind is so they can soothe their ego, so they can give explanations for all the things that they were unable to do, so they can give themselves comfort saying that okay, this is enough, I do not want more than this, or probably it is impossible for me to go beyond this. It's a concept that they created themselves so they can give comfort to their lazy mind, to their lazy heart. Okay, I want you to remove all the ceilings that you have kind of created so you are respected a bit more in the society. Every time you work on anything, it be company, it could be the project, it could be anything that you might be working on, try to dream as big as you possibly can. Okay, try to envision the future in a way that you yourself cannot believe it in the moment, but you have that belief that if you do all the things right, nobody can stop you from going over there. It's the mindset problem, guys. The tips, the hacks, the execution steps that you need to make XYZ money, it's all out there on the YouTube. But the reason why majority of the people are unable to even make 10% of the money that YouTubers tell you on the internet is because it's the mindset problem. It's because you do not believe that you're capable of making that amount of money. It is because you do not believe that you deserve to get in a particular shape. It is because you do not deserve that you can get that hot chick that you have always been trying to talk to. You have created the ceiling in your own mind. It's you versus you. Ceilings do not exist. Whenever I'm thinking about working on any project, I'm always envisioning the maximum that I humanly can do. We are working on the Journey Club, the biggest community in India for online entrepreneurs, for the creator economy, and our vision is to create a journey resort out of it at the end of the day. The goal is to create a lifestyle brand that starts from India and goes to the world. That's like the bare minimum that we could think of. Imagine starting a new company and thinking that we only want 200 customers. You will never be able to even get 2 customers, okay? So it's the mindset problem. It's the ceiling. It's the ceiling that we enforce upon our own self that keep us away from actually achieving the things, from actually achieving the greatness, from actually going near to the dream life that we really want to live when we see other people doing that on Instagram or YouTube, right? So break all the ceilings because it's about time. Already 6 months have gone by for 2025 and it's about time that we break all the ceilings, we go all in, we stay focused, we stay disciplined and we kind of take over the world. Bye-bye.
वो उसका लॉस कहती चलता सिक्का वो बस हो रही है टॉस वो उसका लॉस पहले दिखता नहीं था खासा पैसा बहुत
ये भी आ गया है
बड़े शौक गाने बनते पॉप मूवी बनती शौक है पैसे के लिए 100 फोन मुझे दिख गया मनी कॉलिंग दिखी मेरे पीछे भक्ति फौरन हाथ में जब देखे वो रोली जॉर्डन हाथ से जो करू का बेली बाउंडिंग करी कट डाउन करी बातें बहुत कम पार्टी भाई बंदी के साथ चैट डाउन जब आके टिकी ग्राउंड पे तो बाकी शरे साइड पे वो आगे देखे क्राउड में और चले चला ऑल कसम पॉपिंग शुक्र बादू एफएल पे नॉट
We are just leaving for Journey Club dinner, chapter 2. It's for internal community members. We have Aman. He's going to be covering the event. Top-notch guy when it comes to B-rolls and obviously my business partner, Saksham.
If I had $1 every time I was the underdog, I'd be living on an island made of solid gold. For all the times that I felt I wasn't good enough, I'd be balling now, man, like I own the world.
Today we step into this world to uncover the skills, mindset and story behind this modern day closer and how you as a young entrepreneur can do the same.
और बैक स्टोरी वाला जो पार्ट है ना
हाँ.
where Saksham is saying why this person is important,
हाँ.
यहाँ शूट कर ले.
चल.
So we're just chilling around here, so it's casual.
Actually, हाँ चल थोड़ा शूट कर. अब वो कहाँ है?
Last shoot for Bangalore trip, boys. It's been a treat. So it's Saturday already. पूरा वीक निकल गया बैंगलोर में and Bangalore has treated us well, guys. When we landed on the day, we did a meetup, which was a creator meetup, great experience. Then we hosted the dinner for the Journey Club for the internal community. For the next 2 to 3 days, we shot for the Journey Club's YouTube channel, which is like a new IP we are working on. So it's been fun. A lot of things that we still need to iterate upon. And that's what I've been discussing with Saksham in the last 2 days. But overall, it has been fun. It almost feels like we're living a life inside video game. I mean, like we are just burning cash left, right, and center. But yeah, I think we need to reinvest into Journey Club as an entire, completely separate business entity because we have bigger plans for it. And now I am going to meet my co-founder for my agency. So we are meeting in a cafe of sorts. We need to figure out what our next 3 to 4 moves are going to be when it comes to scaling the agency, building the team and all that sort of stuff. So that's pretty much the idea and agenda for today. After that, we are going to go meet a couple more creators in Bangalore and then we will call it off for the trip because I have my flight back today at 12 a.m. So I'll reach Mumbai by 2 a.m. of sorts and I'll reach my home to 10 to 20 because I live very near to the airport, and then I'll just kind of spend the entire Sunday in my bed planning for the next week, and then guys it's all in for the next 6 months or so because by the end of this year I want to become a billionaire, like if not billionaire at least a millionaire, right? So that's pretty much how we are going to be approaching things. At least that's how we are going to be behaving, you know. That's how we are going to be showing up every day, even if we do not reach that goal, right? Because if not us, who's going to do it?
भाई बंदी के साथ जाए डाउन जब आके टिकी ग्राउंड पे तो बाकी शरे साइड पे वो आगे देखे क्राउड में और चाहती जाना ऑल इन ऑल कसम पॉपिंग शुक्र बादू एफएल पे नॉट फॉलिंग फॉर इट शुक्र बादू साथ अगर तू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट को नहीं सीधे मुझसे ऊपर है कॉमन नॉलेज इनके लिए प्रॉब्लम कौन है तेरे भाई दो लोगों का से नॉर्मल बॉनेट पे है 2 साल खो रखा है होश और फोन का एक शो आए कोने का ने मूव लाइक सोने का एक एल्बम कुरान के पे फैन मत तोड़े मुझे देखा था साइफर में तो हाथ पैर जोड़े आते गुदा इनमें जैसे ये लोग शेयर वेयर छोड़े इन्हें चाहिए नहीं कि कोई इनके पैर वेर तोड़े एक बंदी है आरी बहुत पसंद पर पता नहीं इफ आई हैव